Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys. I am Jake. I'm usually the man behind the camera doing the voiceovers. If you've watched literally any video on this channel, then you should know who I am. But today I just wanted to sit down and do a different type of video. Today is going to be more of a channel update type of video, so if you're not really into that type of thing, that's fine. I get it. I'll see you guys in the next video. For those of you that are interested in channel updates and what's been going through my mind as far as the channel recently, nice to see that you're still here. Now some of you may know that I kind of took like a 3-month hiatus from uploading on the channel. There's a couple of reasons for that. It mostly just boils down to stress with my life outside of YouTube, and a little bit of burnout is thrown in there. We'd be here for a while if I tried to break the whole thing down for you. You may have also noticed that I did upload a video on the iPhone 11 Pro pretty recently. That video is up here if you haven't seen it already. And that video is kind of a precursor as to where I want to take the channel in the future. Almost 2 years ago now, when I came up with the idea for the channel, I wanted to do, obviously, technology and toys. Technology being the computers and phones and the tablets, what have you, of the tech genre, and the toys being the accessories, that being the first couple things that come to mind are wireless chargers, power banks, USB hubs, that kind of stuff. If you've been following the channel for a while, you may have noticed that there's not so much technology and a whole lot of toys. I kind of want to break away from that. I want to put a little bit more focus on the technology side of things. The iPhone video, and I believe the two videos I did before that, the iPad Air 3 and the iMac Pro unboxing, those are kind of where I want to go with this, but I want to have more of a professional production kind of feel to it. I'll put some B-roll here of some of the projects that I'm working on to give you an idea of where I want to try to take the channel and what I want to do with it. I've got a lot of ideas that I'm working on right now. You're obviously seeing B-roll from some of them, and another one is right here on the desk behind me, these two iMacs, but I obviously need some time to work on those. I've also been updating like channel assets behind the scenes, my default description, the channel art, cover, photo, banner, whatever the hell every platform calls it. It's that image that goes across the top of the screen. I completely redid my intro and outro, as you saw on the beginning of this video and as you'll see at the end of this video. I want to make it feel more produced instead of let me throw something on the table, talk about it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then say, links in the description, go check it out, see you in the next video. So higher production quality videos are in the very near future. I may and may not still do like top down, here's a box of things I bought on Amazon, should you buy them? I might do that depending on how I feel about the product, or just as far as like time constraints go. So that's more or less all that I have to say in this video. I know it was different, but I just kind of want to let you guys know where I am with this channel and what's coming. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for checking this out. Be sure to leave a like. If you're new to the channel, thank you for checking me out. Feel free to subscribe, leave a like. I appreciate every last one of you. We're almost at 500 now. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be up within a week.